Welcome to 6125 East Indian School Road in the heart of sunny Scottsdale, Arizona. Step inside this cozy, bright interior that maximizes every square foot. And this unit has something that most condos don't, an indoor laundry. And check out the amazing amounts of storage in this facility. It's huge for organization. Just off the living room, you have your own private balcony, which overlooks the community pool. And speaking of amenities, this community offers 2 sparkling pools and a jacuzzi. And it's just minutes away from Old Town Scottsdale, which offers everything from dining, shopping, and wildlife. If you're a first-time home buyer, an investor looking for a rental property, or somebody looking for a low-maintenance second home, this home checks all the boxes.